Good morning, children. Hope you all have a nice weekend. Today, let us learn how to find the value of a variable, that is an unknown, in a given formula. Okay. A formula is a mathematical sentence that expresses the relationship between certain quantities. That is, it is a rule that shows the relationship between two or more quantities or variables. വേരിയബിൾസിൻ്റെ റിലേഷൻഷിപ്പിനെ കാണിക്കുന്ന ഒരു റൂളാണ് ഫോർമുല. ദ പ്ലൂറൽ ഫോം ഓഫ് ഫോർമുല ഈസ് ഫോർമുലേ. FORMULAE, formulae. Okay. We can write or derive our own formula to solve problems. Let me explain this, children. An example for the formula is F is equal to MA. F is equal to MA, where F stands for force, M mass, and A acceleration. Here F is known as the subject of the formula. Okay, it is written in the left side of the formula. Left side. We may need to rearrange a formula to make a different variable the subject. This is called changing the subject of the formula. That is, we can write this formula as M is equal to F divided by A. Now M is the subject and A is equal to F divided by M. Okay. So if you know the values of F and A, we can find the value of M. If you know the values of F and M, we can find the value of A. Okay. When you substitute numbers into formula and expressions, remember the order of operations. Brackets and indices must be worked out before divisions and multiplication. Addition and subtractions are always worked out last. That is, when we are finding the value of an expression, follow the order of operations. Order of operations, bit mass. നിങ്ങളിത് ബോഡ് മാസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ് പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ അത് ബിഗ് മാസ് എന്നായിട്ടാണ് പഠിക്കുന്നത്. ബ്രാക്കറ്റ്സ്, ഇൻഡിസസ്, ദറ്റ് ഈസ് പവേഴ്സ്, ഡിവിഷൻ, മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ, അഡിഷൻ, സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ. ഓക്കെ. Brackets and indices must be worked out before division and multiplication. ഡിവിഷനും മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷനും ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് ബ്രാക്കറ്റ്സും ഇൻഡിസസും ചെയ്യണം. Then additions and subtractions are always worked out last. Okay. Now let us do few examples based on this topic, children. Our first question is, copy and complete the working to find the value of each expression. First expression is P plus 5 when P is equal to negative 3. Okay. P is equal to negative. So here the value of P is given. We have to find the value of the expression P plus 5. So children, substitute the given value into the expression. The given value is negative 3. Substitute P ki pagaram negative 3 ezhuda. Okay. So negative 3 plus 5 is equal to 2. 2 is the value of this expression. Next, Q minus 6. The value of Q is 4. Okay. So substitute 4 for Q. So 4 minus 6 is equal to 4 plus negative 6, which is equal to negative 2. Okay. Next question is 6H. 6H. 6H means 6 into H. 6 into H. Here H is equal to negative 3. So substitute H is equal to negative 3 in the expression. 6 into negative 3 is negative 18. negative 18. Okay. Next is j by 4. That is j divided by 4. The value of j is negative 20. So substitute negative 20 in the expression. Negative 20 divided by 4 is equal to negative 5. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So our answer is negative 5. Okay. Next, a plus b, where a is 6 and b is equal to negative 3. Substitute these values, children. Substitute means നമ്മൾ എനെയും ബിനെയും ആ നമ്പേഴ്സ് എഴുതി റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യുക. സോ 6, that is the value of a, and the value of b is negative 3. Okay. 6 plus negative 3 is positive 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. The larger number is 6. It is positive. So our answer is positive. Next is c minus d. C minus d. Here c is equal to 25 and d is equal to 32. Okay. So substitute these values. 25 minus 32, which is equal to 25 plus negative 32 is equal to negative 7. So c minus d is negative 7. Okay. So children, here we are finding the value of each expression. So today you learned about formula. A formula is a mathematical rule that shows a relationship between two or more variables. Okay. The plural form of formula is formulae. Formulae. Hope this topic is clear for you. Thank you, children.